Okay, Sarah, this is the apartment that I like. Here's the front door, okay? So you walk in. To the side there are these big windows, and there's plenty of space all the way to the wall. That wall has the cable over there. So it'd be like a couch and a table, and the TV. Over here, hi Drew. Over here is just extra like dining area, so I could put a table. And then the biggest closet for no reason. Can you see this? It's just right in the middle of the living room. Okay, so from over here, here's the kitchen. Sink, cabinets, fridge, I know you don't care. More cabinets, stove. No microwave, but, I mean...
That's fixable. We'll get you a microwave.
Yeah, microwaves are important. Popcorn. So walk in here. Here's my bedroom. More windows. Lots of light in this apartment. And it looks small. Bedrooms always look small to me. I don't know why. But then I have this closet. And if you look, it's just a dinky closet. The good closet's out in the living room. I don't know why. Okay, and then I have this weird, like, look how little this door is. Look how small it is.
Hey, hold on.
Like, there's Drew. You know how small Drew is. Alright, there's a normal door. Get out of my linen closet. Holy crap, I didn't even know you... Get out of my linen closet, I'm filming a video! Well, since you ruined the surprise, this is the linen closet. Towels and whatnot. Jerk. And over here, bathroom. Very dark, I know, but look. Too much light. It has the big stage lighting, so all my makeup actually makes sense. Hey, it's me in the mirror. Hello. Hello. Toilet tub. I know it's being rerouted, so it looks a little funny. But it has a pretty neat shower head, and if you can see up here, it's bolted into the wall, so none of my towels will fall off the rack or anything. And that's the apartment I like. Okay, bye-bye.